Good morning to all. Class 6 General Science. In previous chapter, we learned and discussed food. Where does it come from? Now, we discuss and learn about components of food. Chapter 2 Components of Food. Chapter 2 Components of Food. Topics in this covered are nutrients, 5 types of nutrients, balanced diet, and deficiency of diseases. First, we are going to discuss 5 types of nutrients. A substance which is essential for maintaining life or growth are called nutrients. A substance which is essential for maintaining life or growth are called nutrients. Nutrients. Our food has 5 types of major nutrients. Our food has 5 types of major nutrients which are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. Our food has 5 major nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Let us study function of each of these. First one, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy to our body. Carbohydrates provide energy to our body. Glucose, sugar, starch. Glucose, sugar, starch. Examples of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy to our body. Glucose, sugar, starch are examples of carbohydrate. The main carbohydrate which we eat in our food is starch. Main carbohydrate which we eat in our food is starch, which comes from cereals like wheat, rice, maize, millet, etc. Some other sources like potato, sweet potato, sugar, honey contains carbohydrates. Some fruits like banana, papaya, mango, watermelon contains carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provides energy to our body. Examples of carbohydrates: glucose, sugar, starch are examples. Fruits contains carbohydrates. Cereals contain carbohydrates. Next, we need to discuss second nutrient is fats. 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 Like carbohydrates, fats also provide energy to our body. Like carbohydrates, fats also provide energy to our body. In fact, fats provides twice as much as energy, the same amount of carbohydrate. Fats provides us twice as much as energy, same amount of carbohydrates. Little amount of butter, which is a fats provides much more energy than large blood cells which is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates and fats are provides energy to our body. Carbohydrates provides our energy giving food. Fats can be obtained plants and animal sources. Fats can be obtained both plant sources and animal source. Plant source. If you see plant source, example mustard oil, coconut oil, groundnut oil, etc. Next, animal sources. Fats can be obtained two types of both the sources, plant source and animal source. Plant source example, groundnut, coconut, groundnut oil, coconut oil and sunflower oil, etc. And animal source milk, cheese, butter, ghee, etc. Fats. Fats like carbohydrates provides energy to our body. Fats can be obtained from plant source and animal source. Third, next, proteins. Proteins carbohydrates, fats provides energy to our body. It's energy giving food. Next, nutrients, proteins. Proteins are the substances which are required for growth and repair of our body. Proteins are substances which are required growth and repair of our body. Proteins are body building foods. Carbohydrates, fats are energy giving food. Here, proteins are body building food. Various food which are rich in proteins like milk, meat, egg, fish, chicken, beans, pulses. Plant source, beans and pulses. Animal source, chicken, egg, fish, etc. Three nutrients finished. First nutrient is carbohydrate. Second nutrient is fats. Third nutrient is proteins. Next nutrient, vitamins. Vitamins. Vitamins are necessary for good eyesight, healthy bones, teeth, gums, and normal digestion, proper growth. Vitamins are needed in our body small quantity, but their presence is essential for our body, essential for our life. Next, some of the important vitamins are we can learn here: vitamin A, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin B2, B6, B12, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E, vitamin K. Some of the important vitamins are vitamin A, B, B2, B6, B12, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. These are important vitamins. We need to discuss few important vitamins and their functions and important source. First, vitamin A. If you see vitamin A is necessary for good eyesight, healthy skin and health. Some important sources of vitamin A are milk, fish liver oil, fruits, green leafy vegetables, and chicken, or it has present in vitamins carrot. These all vitamin A is necessary for good eyesight and healthy skin and health. Some important sources of vitamin A are milk meat, egg fish and carrot, green leafy vegetables. Next, vitamin B. Vitamin B. Vitamin B is necessary for growth, proper functioning of digestive system, nerves, our muscles. Vitamin B is necessary for Vitamin B is important for our food as like milk, cheese, butter, chicken, green leafy vegetables and potato, whole millet, pulses. Next, vitamin C. Vitamin A finished, vitamin B finished. Next we are going to discuss vitamin C. Vitamin C is, everybody know, vitamin C is necessary for teeth, keeping the teeth, gums and joints. Next, vitamin C is present in fruits like lime, lemon, orange, and tomato and green leafy vegetables also contains in vitamin C. Next, vitamin D. Vitamin D is normal present in necessary for vitamin D is necessary for normal growth and teeth and bones, helps for teeth and bones, and vitamin D is necessary for important source of vitamin D is like green leafy vegetables, milk, meat, fish, cheese, butter, etc. Next, vitamin D. Next one. Four nutrients are finished. First nutrient is carbohydrate. Second nutrient is fats. Third nutrient is proteins. Fourth one, vitamins. Next, last nutrient is minerals. Last nutrient is minerals. Minerals are required for our body, proper functioning, good health, normal growth. Our body needed some important minerals like iodine, iodine, potassium, calcium, iodine, potassium, calcium, iron, phosphorus, sodium. Important minerals we have learned here: iodine, potassium, calcium, iron, phosphorus and sodium. We have to discuss few important minerals, their functions and food sources, important food sources. First, calcium and phosphorus. If you have to see calcium and phosphorus, calcium, everybody know calcium. Calcium needs to making of bones and teeth. It also required for proper functioning of heart, our muscles and nerves. Important sources of calcium in important sources of enriched food is calcium like milk meat, egg fish, green leafy vegetables, butter, cheese. Next, phosphorus. Everybody know phosphorus. Phosphorus like calcium. Phosphorus also needed like calcium. Phosphorus also needed formation of bones and teeth. Important sources of phosphorus rich in food like green leafy vegetables, potato, milk, whole grains, pulses, beans, whole millet, etc. Next, iodine. Iodine is essential for thyroid gland. Some important sources of iodine like seafood, iodized salt, etc. We have learned how many? 5 types of nutrients. First nutrient is carbohydrate, second nutrient fats, third nutrient proteins, fourth one vitamins, last fifth one is minerals. 5 types of nutrients. Our food has 5 major nutrients. Our food has 5 major nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Our food has 7 components that are 5 major nutrients to earth, water and roughage. We already learned now here 5 types of major nutrients to water and roughage.